Hello, my name is Snehal Parikh, and I'm part of the Cloud Customer product management team focused on the Autonomous Database. And today, I want to talk to you about an exciting new announcement that we've made that will help you extend the value of your Exadata Cloud Customer investment. But first, I want to talk to you about what our customers have been telling us. All of our customers have a number of strategic initiatives, and they feel like a lack of database platform reliability and security, and not only are resulting in increased costs, but they're preventing them from realizing those strategic initiatives. One customer told us that the manual processes for provisioning and maintenance obviously increases their time to market. And by deploying Exadata Cloud Customer, they were able to reduce provisioning from days down to hours. Another customer told us that the activities around patching, scaling, and upgrades oftentimes require downtime, again, directly impacting business momentum. And by deploying Autonomous Database Dedicated, this customer was able to reduce their maintenance costs by over 50%. And ultimately, data breaches and unplanned outages resulting from a lack of security, privacy, and the downtime effects not only impact their brand reputation, but have direct dollar costs associated. 40% of the customers that we spoke to have experienced outages in the last year that have resulted in between $100,000 to up to $1 million in costs associated with recovery and lost revenue. So how do we address what our customers would like to attain while addressing some of the challenges that they face? One way we do that is by deploying the Oracle Autonomous Database. This is the new era of cloud database exclusively from Oracle, where everything is automated. And we have capabilities that address different personas across the entire business. First, we address what CXOs are looking for. We provide a secure, cloud-based and integrated database platform to support strategic initiatives. Secondly, we focus on what development teams are looking for, a converged database with self-service tools and open APIs to deliver modern automated applications. And lastly, we address DBA challenges as well. We automate the process of maintaining and tuning and patching and scaling the databases so they can deliver what the businesses need in a very cost-effective manner. But what are we introducing with this new announcement? For those customers that have Exadata Cloud Customer or new customers to Exadata Cloud Customer, in the past, if you wanted to take advantage of Autonomous Database, you had to dedicate the entire rack to Autonomous. Now, we've introduced a capability around multiple VM Autonomous Database. So what does that mean? On a single infrastructure, you can run both Exadata databases and Autonomous databases together. Many of you have existing capacity on your Exadata Cloud Customer investments. So you can leverage that existing capacity, leverage that investment that you've already made in the infrastructure, and simply add more autonomous workloads next to your Exadata workloads. This is the lowest cost to adopting Autonomous Database. There's no additional infrastructure cost, and you pay only for the autonomous OCPUs that you use. Furthermore, Autonomous is automated and has advanced billing models. So it really delivers true pay-per-use just based on exactly what you consume, not what you allocate in these VMs. And this is the best way to migrate existing workloads onto taking advantage of Autonomous. And also with all the developer capabilities that I talked about earlier, it's the best way to develop new database applications as well. So let's look a little bit deeper into what we mean by multiple VM Autonomous Database. It eliminates the either or choice. So in the same infrastructure, you're in the same Exadata Cloud Customer infrastructure, you can have an Exadata VM cluster running Exadata Database Service. You can create alongside that a number of autonomous VM clusters. And in this case, we've shown 2. So each VM cluster can be matched for the workloads that they need to support, whether they be transaction processing or data warehousing. Each VM cluster can support multiple databases for consolidation. So you could have a number of container databases in the Autonomous VM cluster or the Exadata VM clusters. More VM clusters can be added using any remaining unallocated resources, and each VM cluster can be maintained separately. So now you can combine additional workloads. And as I said, if you already are an Exadata Cloud customer, you can do so at the most beneficial price. So let's summarize. How do you get started, right? So again, this addresses the needs that all of our customers have in terms of eliminating expensive administrative costs. You eliminate the expensive, tedious, unsafe manual database management through Autonomous. And if you're, again, leveraging your existing Exadata Cloud Customer investment, it's true pay-per-use. You can leverage the universal credit model, and any additional spend that you have will go towards your Oracle Support Rewards credits. You can innovate more. You can refocus your current talent, focus on innovation and strategic initiatives rather than administration and downtime. You can develop faster, instant provisioning, self-tuning, integrated database app development, all capabilities that will help you on this journey. You can reduce your risk. You can prevent cyber attacks because we constantly patch this environment to make sure that you're at the most secure level for your database platform. And it's fully automated, and we have online security updates. But there's one other way that you can reduce your risk as well. We want to help you get started using Autonomous Database on Cloud Customer. So we've introduced what we call a pilot to production program, where we will have dedicated resources to help you deploy Autonomous in your environment. So as a next step, I encourage you, reach out to your sales rep, learn more about Autonomous Database on Exadata Cloud Customer, learn more about this concept of multiple VMs where you can run Autonomous next to your Exadata workloads. And most importantly, learn about our pilot to production program, where Oracle resources will help you get started on this journey towards Autonomous on Exadata Cloud Customer. And with that, I thank you very much and look forward to speaking with you again.